Just walking along one of the beautiful creeks. Very leafy. Believe it or not, there is water underneath all of this. Hear the wind. Being in nature is amazing. It's what the soul craves. Going back to the roots. No pun intended. I always love that. Like if you go along a river and you see the trees that have formed themselves into the land to where they're in the water, like just hanging right above the water. It's amazing how they root themselves or make themselves lean and grow a different way just to adapt to where they are. Instead of dying off, they'll try to find a way to get sun and water. Isn't that amazing? I always think those are absolutely amazing. Just they're reaching for that water. Reaching for that water. Oh, and we got a little squirrel bridge. Alright, look at all of that. Hope you enjoy your day of thanks. I am. It's amazing.